What's going on, guys? Gabe with ReviewDork, and my oh my, we woke up this morning and it was bloody red, redder than your wife's tampon. I know I made that reference before, so go ahead and sue me in the comment section. But AMC behaving in a way that, well, we're used to but haven't seen in a fairly long time. Now, we're looking at the daily here, and we have resistance plotted at $44.50. We are entering a new trend, but it really doesn't change anything. If you need more data points, we could see here that AMC definitely has the opportunity to respect this trend line here and break resistance, putting us back into a sense of calm from what's really going on in the overall market. What I want to do is talk about Vertex data, utilization slightly up, short interest slightly up. Nothing has really changed. They haven't covered, but I want to look at some data here. And we're going to go ahead and find the last significant plots or points of data. Average age of loan is 66 days. Keep that in mind, 66 days. Days to cover, 1.33. Guys, when the volume dips, the days to cover, particularly on the 10-day, that average starts moving up ever so slowly. And let's really look at 66 days ago. This is July 16th when AMC was trading in the 30s, the upper 30s. Guys, what does this mean? Well, when we look at the chart currently and we see where AMC currently stands, the shorts are losing money based on that average. So keep that in mind. There could be a deviation where the shorts entered a position at $30. Everyone's talking about margin call. Everyone's talking about Evergrande. Let's go ahead and jump into that news here. And by the way, it looks like AMC is fairly steady at this point. Just for Pete's sake, let's look at the NASDAQ, currently down, S&P currently down, Dow Jones is currently down. And why is it down? We have something called Evergrande. And, well, there's some fear over there. But what we're talking about on this side of the pond is the Fed's easing their monetary policy. And they're supposed to start their two-day meeting tomorrow. And so typically this is not seen as a good thing when we talk about the markets or the stock market. The last time there was easing was back in 2018, and it caused a mini crash. Now, silver lining on the mini crash is if you were to believe that AMC is a negative beta stock, the mini crash would pretty much facilitate some margin calls, especially if AMC is able to maintain a elevated price, let's say $44. Now, this is something that, hey, I'd like to see if you're a fan of this squeeze play. Now, let's talk about really what's happening at home, because for some, the company doesn't affect the stock, but the company affects the interest of other investors who might want to enter the stock. So we have Adam Aron tweeting 20 hours ago. Here is a stunning statistic. This weekend, AMC constituted fully 9 of the top 10 highest grossing movie theaters in the United States Friday and Saturday. AMC was 15 of the top 22. Clearly, AMC Theater is doing many things right. We're proud of our leadership position. We have some amazing titles in theaters right now. And we also have some amazing titles coming out in the next 2 weeks. So with that being said, I'm not really stressed about AMC. If you're looking at this from a squeeze play, the data is in your favor. If you're going to look at the price action on a daily, it's going to give you high blood pressure. And that's not something you want, guys. Anyways, this is basically your early morning recap just to get you settled down and remove anxiety. This is Gabe. I'm signing out. Peace.